Hello, everybody. Welcome to your Talking Fitchburg headlines on this Monday, October 9th, 2023. I'm Jeremy Crosby. Hope you're having a great day. Glad you're with us here for your TF headlines. Yes, I switched sides. I know. I'll go back to my other side. We had a little droppage of a shellfish. But anyway, we're not going to talk about that. We are going to talk about your headlines. And we start with the fire department's open house happening this weekend. Fitchburg Fire Department will have their open house this Saturday, October 14th from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. at Fire Station Number 1, 5791 Lacey Road here in Fitchburg. It includes live demos with a car extraction at 11 a.m. or extrication, and then fire extinguisher training at 1 p.m. We hope to see you all out there. There'll also be other information that you can pick up and get just learning more about the fire department, what it takes to be a firefighter more there on Saturday. We hope to see you out there. Dane County Fire Chiefs Association Fire Truck Parade was held yesterday at the Capitol Square. They come down State Street, all in fun to show off all the great fire trucks here in the city, well, around the city, but around Dane County, and even out Sauk Prairie Fire Department comes down for this one as well. But it goes in unison with the National Fire Prevention Week going on right now through the end of this week, and had some beautiful displays afterwards there at the Capitol Square. If you didn't get to check it out, we'll have footage for you and share that with you on our Facebook and YouTube page of the full fire truck parade. The mayor's proposed 2024 operating budget is out, and a public hearing will take place tomorrow night. Public hearing for the mayor's proposed 2024 operating budget will be held on October 10th at 7:30 p.m. And the Common Council will hold that public hearing during its normal Common Council meeting starting at 7:30. The mayor's proposed operating budget is online for reviewing. You can check out our website at fitchburgwi.gov for more information on her budget. City junk pickup flyer. Want to warn you that this is, there's been some flyers circulating about a citywide junk pickup. This isn't a city-sponsored event. The city received a concern about a flyer that was mailed to them previously regarding a service to pick up large junk items for fee. The website was recently established, and we're not aware of any programs from this company in the area. Also, there is no phone number or legitimate means to contact them and inquire about the validity of their business. Please use your best judgment prior to handing out any personal information or forms of payment. If you receive one of these flyers in the mail, please contact City Hall if you have any questions or concerns on this at 608-270-4200. We'll direct you to the appropriate department. We contract our recycling and refuse pickup with Pelletary. So if you got any questions, Pelletary is the company that we contract with officially here in the city of Fitchburg. Turning our attention to our trick-or-treat hours. The suggested trick-or-treat hours are out. Yeah, it's coming up. October 31st. Suggested trick-or-treating hours for Tuesday, October 31st. Well, here in the city of Fitchburg, it's 4 o'clock p.m. to 7 o'clock p.m. And it's just suggested hours. We actually don't have official hours there. So if you are interested, make sure you flip on that light, that porch light, so people know that you are participating. And if not, flip that off. There are some great safety tips online at our website at fitchburgwi.gov and on our social media page through the city's social media page. And happening this weekend, the Fitchburg Historical Society Fall Meeting will be taking place at the Fitchburg Public Library. It's this Sunday, October 15th at 1:30 p.m. And it includes the Swan Creek Sewing Circle as they celebrate 100 years of neighborliness. You know, every time I've done this story, I've just never been able, I get the point. Fall program highlights the oldest organization, the Swan Creek Sewing Circle. It was founded in 1915. And you're going to learn about that at this next important Fitchburg Historical Society Fall Meeting. That'll be taking place this weekend, the Sunday, October 15th, 1:30 p.m. at the Fitchburg Public Library there in the large meeting room. We hope to see you out there. We'll also be taping this, rebroadcasting about it. Have a great Monday, everybody.